Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to review the whey protein, which is actually from MuzzleTech Performance Series. The name of the whey protein is called Nitrotech Ripped Whey Protein. So this whey protein is introduced in order to support the fat loss formula. So we're going to talk later like how this product supports the fat loss formula. So the product what I have is the chocolate fudge brownie. So we're going to test even the taste of this product and the ingredients of this product. So stay tuned with this video and we're going to come back. So this comes with 907 gram, which is not even the 1 kg bottle. So the reason why it supports the weight loss formula is because it gets 30 grams of protein per container. Don't get surprised, the container, the scoop size is more. So 30 gram per scoop. And what you get per scoop is 500 mg L-carnitine, which actually supports the weight loss. So it just support, okay, it does not give you the weight loss, complete weight loss, unless you work out and have a good diet. So what we're gonna see here is superior whey protein for lean muscle building and tested for weight loss complex. So you get per scoop, you get 250 mg of CLA and 250 mg of this. And we're gonna check the product. So you see here the supplement facts, okay. So serving size is 1 scoop, which is 44 grams. So other scoops are normally you get it 30 like 44 like I think 30 grams per scoop. So this is 44 grams, and per container 907 grams gives you approximately 21 servings. So if you're new to whey protein, it's good buying this, but do not use 44 grams. Make sure that you use up to 30 grams. That's fine enough. So calories what you get from 44 grams is 170, and total fat what you get is 3.5 grams, and saturated 2 grams. Cholesterol 90 mg, which is moderate. Total carbohydrates is 4 grams, which is good, includes 0. And what you see here, protein is 30 grams per scoop of 44 grams, okay. And you get vitamin C 160 mg, iodine, sodium, potassium. So here comes the one which supports the fat loss, which is L-carnitine. L-target is 500 mg, and CLA it's 250 mg, and all other ingredients. You can pause the video and you can check the other ingredients what it's mentioned over here. If you want, you can pause the video and you can read the ingredients. That's absolutely fine. So directions are like mix 1 serving 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water, or you're gonna drink it twice. Consume 60 to 30 minutes before your 2 large meals. But I suggest 1 scoop is more enough. If you're advanced, 1 scoop is more enough, and if you're beginner, 30 grams of 1 scoop is more enough. Okay, so you can pause the video and read the conditions if you're interested. And perfect. So there is no filters, there is no such kind things, no banned substances. So if you see, you can read out the description, like why it affects them more on weight loss, and scientifically tested on weight loss. So you're going to read this, okay. This is more important. You can pause the video and you can read this. So ultra clean, ultra quality hydrolyte protein isolate. So advanced 6-in-1 formula. So you can pause and read this, and you're going to check this out. So if you want, you can just pause it and read the description, whatever mentioned. I'm going to show the complete Okay, so this is how the product looks like and its label. So let's open this, and you must have, make sure that you don't go into fake products. So this is what the imported logo what you have, so make sure you buy the genuine products. Let's check this, what is there inside. I brought two boxes, so if you see, one is not opened. So I've opened one box. I've used it for 2 days. So once you open this, what you see here is this. So there's a 44 grams of scoop, which I'm not going to use it for sure. And there's a product. And let's check this, the mixability of this product, okay? So I'm going to take a little bit. Almost 20 grams is fine just to check the mixability. I'm gonna put this in there. If you see, guys, the mixability is average. Since I'm not using a shaker, that's fine, because this is what you get. And one thing I like to say about this product is this product tastes so sweet. They said there's no added sugar, but this product actually tastes so sweet. So I've submitted a lab report for this product. I might get it on the next week. So make sure that you subscribe this channel to see what they claim is really correct or not. See, if you don't use the shaker, the mixability is not so great, but still that's fine, because I normally don't use shaker for whey protein because it gets lumps. Okay, so this is the product review of this Nitrotech Ripped whey protein. So make sure you subscribe the channel to check the lab report of this product in post coming videos. So until then, take care, bye.